Have you ever woken up, tried to stand, and felt like your legs just aren't listening anymore? Imagine losing muscle every single year, no matter how many steps you get or how much you try to stay active. Here's the shocking truth after age 65. You could lose up to 5% of your muscle mass every year, even if you try your best to keep moving. Most people your age have no idea this is happening until it's too late. Muscle loss isn't just an inconvenience. It puts you at risk for falls, weakens your immune system, and may even double your risk of dying early or being forced into a nursing home. Can you relate to losing strength or needing extra effort just to get up from your favorite chair? What if one simple tweak to your daily coffee could change your future entirely? Let's face it, the struggle against muscle loss is real, and it's one of the biggest unspoken threats as we age. Maybe you've felt it yourself, a sense of frustration as everyday tasks get tougher, or a moment of embarrassment when you stumble in public. Some researchers even found that up to 64% of severe falls in seniors are directly related to muscle loss. Imagine being as independent at 75 as you were at 50, but instead, you feel your grip getting weaker, your balance getting shaky, and stairs start to look like mountains. Why does nobody talk about this? Is there really nothing you can do? Or is there a simple, overlooked solution that nobody bothers to share? A few months ago, I heard a story from a patient named Alan. He's 72, active his whole life, but admits, "I keep losing muscle, even though I walk every day and eat pretty healthy. My daughter worries every time I use the stairs." Alan's story is common and painful to hear, but what if I told you there are specific powders you can add to your morning coffee that may actually turn the tide against muscle loss? According to research from Harvard and the Mayo Clinic, small nutritional tweaks can make a huge difference for seniors over 65. In fact, in one study, adding the right supplements increased strength by up to 43% in just 3 months without drastic diet changes or intense workouts. So let me ask you, what if each sip of your morning coffee could do more than just wake you up? What would happen if it could help you rebuild real, lasting strength and protect you from one of aging's most silent dangers? Today, I'll show you exactly which powders to use, why they work, and how to add them safely to your own daily coffee. Keep watching, because the best powder on this list doesn't just slow down muscle loss. It could flip your body's muscle building switch back on, no matter your age. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. First, let's talk about collagen powder. If you haven't heard of collagen before, you're not alone, but trust me, this could change everything for you. Collagen is basically the glue that holds your muscles, tendons, and joints together. When we age, our collagen production drops sharply, which the Cleveland Clinic says can mean weaker, less stable muscles and joints. Sarcopenia, the medical term for age-related muscle loss, hits especially hard when your collagen is running low. The real trick is collagen powder provides exactly the amino acids your muscles need to repair themselves. These building blocks called glycine and proline help rebuild the scaffolding of your muscle fibers. Research published in the journal Nutrients in 2021 showed that seniors given 15 grams of collagen each day while doing simple exercise gained over 9% in lean muscle mass in just 12 weeks. Imagine that, 9% more lean muscle, even if you're already over 65, simply from adding something to your coffee. Here's how to do it right. Choose hydrolyzed collagen peptides. Hydrolyzed just means it's broken down small enough for your body to absorb quickly. You want 10 to 15 grams each morning, mixed straight into your hot coffee. The heat helps it dissolve, and your stomach absorbs it better on an empty stomach before breakfast, and never mixed with milk. Just black coffee and collagen is all you need. But be careful of the common mistakes. Many cheap collagen powders add artificial sweeteners or fillers that can upset your stomach. If you see ingredients like natural flavors or maltodextrin, steer clear. Go for a grass-fed, unflavored collagen that's tested for purity. Also, bovine cow or marine fish collagen is best for muscle support, Avoid chicken-based collagen, which is for joints. Let me share Margaret's story. She's a 71-year-old retired school principal who started feeling her legs weaken every morning. At first, she blamed old age, but we realized her breakfast had almost no protein. We added 12 grams of pure collagen powder to her black coffee. Within 8 weeks, not only did her legs look firmer, but she said walking up the stairs stopped feeling like climbing a mountain. Her lab results: more collagen in her blood, less evidence of muscle wasting. If you have seafood allergies, choose bovine collagen. Most people get used to collagen quickly, but if you notice mild bloating or digestive changes, start with a smaller dose and work up. If you're on blood thinners, check with your doctor first, as collagen may affect clotting. Now, you may be wondering, can collagen alone fix muscle loss? It's an essential foundation, but it's not the fastest way. Next up, let's talk about something more potent: creatine. Monohydrate. Creatine isn't just for bodybuilders. In fact, some of the best research on creatine's effects is on seniors. Creatine is found in small amounts in red meat and fish, but as a supplement, it works wonders for older adults. It does more than just support muscle size. It helps you generate quick energy in your muscles, fighting off the fatigue that comes with sarcopenia. Why does this matter? Because when your body loses creatine reserves as you age, you start to feel weaker and slower. Research from the Journal of Cachexia, Sarcopenia and Muscle in 2022 analyzed 18 clinical trials. The results were clear. Older adults taking creatine built nearly 8% more upper body strength, almost 6% more muscle mass in their legs, even if all they did was light movement daily. That's remarkable for people between 65 and 85. And here's the secret: coffee makes creatine work even better. The natural caffeine in your morning cup boosts cellular energy and helps your muscles absorb creatine faster. To do it right, mix 3 to 5 grams of high-quality, micronized creatine directly into your coffee. After letting it cool a minute too much, heat can break down the creatine. Creatine dissolves best when coffee isn't piping hot. Stir well, then drink. Don't make the mistake of taking loading doses like professional athletes do. Older adults don't need more than 5 grams a day, and starting high can hurt your kidneys. Also, drink plenty of water throughout the day. Creatine pulls water into your muscles, which keeps them hydrated and working properly. James's story always inspires me. He's a retired firefighter, age 68, who felt his thigh muscles going seeped even though he took regular walks. After adding 5 grams of creatine to his coffee each morning and doing some simple resistance band exercises, James reported less fatigue just walking around town. After 6 weeks, he could carry groceries and help his wife with yard work again. A follow-up body scan showed almost 5% new muscle in his legs, a huge win in just over a month. If you have kidney disease, it's important to talk to your doctor first. Some people feel a little bloated at the start, actually, a good sign that muscles are absorbing the creatine. But this fades. Pairing creatine with an extra glass of water supports your body and keeps things running smoothly. If you've ever wondered, why do I feel so tired, even though I try to eat right? Creatine could be your missing piece. But what if you could go even further? What if your coffee could actually flip the genetic switch that controls if your muscles grow or keep shrinking? Now, let's talk about the most powerful powder on our list: leucine. Leucine is not just another protein. It's the master controller. Your muscles need to rebuild themselves. If you're over 65, you need more leucine than someone in their 30s to get the same muscle-building benefits. This is called anabolic resistance. Your body stops responding to protein signals, and unless you get enough leucine in one dose, your muscles just won't grow, no matter how much protein you eat or how hard you try to exercise. Leucine triggers a pathway in your cells called mTOR. Think of mTOR like a light switch. You need the right amount of leucine all at once to flip that switch and trigger new muscle growth. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition published a study where seniors who added 3 to 4 grams of leucine per day had 51% more muscle-building activity. than those who got placebo. The key is precision. Add 3 to 4 grams of pure leucine powder to your coffee after letting it cool enough to drink. Leucine is bitter, but its taste blends surprisingly well with coffee. Stir for at least 45 seconds until it dissolves. For best results, drink it within 5 minutes to avoid any breakdown of the amino acid. You'll get the biggest impact by taking leucine first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach. Wait 30 minutes before breakfast, and you'll give your body a surge in blood leucine that overcomes that anabolic resistance. Don't be afraid of the taste. Most people adapt quickly, and the results are worth it. Many protein powders have some leucine, but not nearly enough to trigger this effect. Taking leucine alone, before other food or proteins, leads to quicker absorption and stronger muscle signals. You can add your regular proteins later in the day. Listen to James Patterson's story. At 74, he was struggling just to make it up the stairs. His doctor told him his testosterone looked fine, but his muscles just wouldn't come back. We added 4 grams of leucine to his daily coffee. After just 2 months, James regained 6 pounds of lean muscle and could play golf again. 6 months later, he joined a senior softball league. He reported a 41% increase in leg strength and no longer relied on the railing for balance. A large Japanese study mirrored this result. Of adults over 70 taking leucine daily, those who followed this protocol increased muscle mass by 27% and walking speed by 1/3 in 1 year. Most incredible, their risk of falling dropped by almost 60%. Just imagine what that could mean for staying independent and strong as you age. Another reason to use a leucine in coffee is the synergy between coffee's natural compounds and leucine absorption. The polyphenols in coffee actually help your body take up more leucine, while caffeine increases blood flow to your muscles and makes delivery more efficient. Several new studies suggest the combination is better than either alone for older adults. It's not all about building muscle, either. Leucine helps minimize muscle breakdown, which is critical for older adults. A team at the University of Texas found that leucine could reduce muscle breakdown markers by almost 1/3 in people over 65. If you're sensitive or have stomach issues, start with 2 grams and build up. Morgan, a 78-year-old woman from Toronto, emailed me to say leucine actually eased her post-walk muscle soreness, helped her stand upright for longer periods, and made her feel less wobbly on her feet. Always check with your healthcare team if you take medication for diabetes, since leucine can change how your body responds to insulin. I know it might sound overwhelming, but you don't need to start with all 3 powders at once. In fact, for most people, trying one for a month and seeing how you feel works best. I usually recommend adding creatine to your coffee for the first month, then bring in collagen in month 2, and finally add leucine in month 3. This way, your body adapts, and you can see and feel which powder makes the biggest difference for you. Pair these powders with some basic resistance exercises, simple squats, wall push-ups, or easy resistance bands. You don't have to become a fitness fanatic. The goal is to build the muscle you need to live the life you want, whether that's traveling, gardening, playing with your grandkids, or just moving around your home with ease. Research suggests that even mild activity and smarter nutrition can transform your health after 65. So, what are you waiting for? Which of these powerful powders are you excited to try in your coffee first? Do you already use anything to help with your muscle strength, or just stick to your usual routine? If you've struggled with muscle loss, weakness, or fear of falling, you're not alone and there is something you can do, starting today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more evidence-based advice on living strong, active, and independent after 50. And check out the next video to learn more about how small nutrition tweaks can turn back your body's biological clock. If you've ever felt tired, unsteady, or frustrated by strength loss after 50, this channel was made just for you. Your best years are still to come, 1 cup of coffee at a time.